My name is Gemma Tamok and I teach academic English at Greenwich College, and I'm going to talk about the AEP course, which is Academic English Preparation.
I just started the AP course, but at the moment I have learned how to make big sentences and write better than before, and know how to do a presentation that is very good for my future and my future job, of course.
AEP involves a lot of interactive activities, a lot of pair work, a lot of group work, and a lot of tutorial style work, which is a feature of college or university life. So it's really good to make students used to that kind of an environment. So it's an enjoyable course, but also a serious course for students who really want to improve their skills.
You should study AEP course at the Greenwich because they are specialists and they can help you achieve the goal.
AEP and EAP are related courses. AEP is the preparation course for EAP, so it focuses more on grammar and vocabulary and developing the kinds of skills that students will need when they go into an EAP course, or if they go to a vocational course as well. So you can study just AEP, or you can use it as a pathway to move on to EAP. It will help build skills, build grammar and vocabulary skills, also teach you IELTS preparation skills as well, because those are all part of EAP and can lead you on into other courses as well. AEP is a course that students should study if they're interested in studying in a vocational college, at TAFE or at university, and also if they wish to improve academic skills more generally. So they might want to really work on their more formal style of grammar or writing. It's a very good course for students who aren't preparing for an exam, but who really want to work on their English skills.
I choose to study AP because I need to improve my grammar and my writing and listening and have a more academic focus. So that's why I choose AEP course.
After AEP, a student can go on to one of the vocational courses or one of the TAFEs, depending on what the entry requirements are for that institution. Or they might progress from there on to EAP, the English for Academic Purposes program, which then can give them pathways into a number of TAFEs and universities in Australia.
After the course, I will attend to the Wollongong University, and I believe that I can get there.
I will recommend people to study AP course because there you can improve the main things that I think is important in English. There is the writing and the presentation that is very good for the people who are going to the university, and they need a basic level for doing essays and presentations at the university.
Come to Greenwich to study AEP because we have lots of wonderful pathways to fantastic vocational opportunities all around Australia.